powerful earthquake jolts Taiwan. Strong tremors felt across the island. Late on Saturday, December 27, 2025, a powerful earthquake struck off the northeastern coast of Taiwan, sending tremors throughout the island and prompting emergency responses from authorities and residents alike. According to Taiwan Central Weather Administration, CWA, the quake registered a preliminary magnitude of 7.0, with its epicenter located about 32 kilometers, 20 miles, east of Yilan County Hall in the Pacific Ocean, at a depth of roughly 72 to 73 kilometers. Island-wide tremors, widespread shake. The strong tremors were felt across northern, eastern, and central Taiwan, including in major population centers such as Taipei, New Taipei, Taichung, Taoyuan, Tainan, Hualien, and other counties. In several areas, the shaking reached an intensity level of 4 on Taiwan's 7-tier scale, strong enough to sway buildings and send people rushing outdoors. Despite the magnitude, no immediate reports of major injuries or widespread structural damage emerged in the hours after quake, likely due in part to quake's offshore location and relatively deep focal depth, which reduces destructive force at the surface. Officials also noted that this was one of the strongest quakes to strike Taiwan in recent years, although not the most devastating historically. Authorities warned residents to remain vigilant for aftershocks, some of which could reach magnitudes between 5.5 and 6.0 in the days following the main event. Reactions and emergency measures. Local governments and emergency services activated response protocols immediately. In Yilan County, over 3,000 households experienced brief power outages, though most services were quickly restored. The Taipei municipal government reported isolated incidents, such as minor gas and water leaks, though no major structural failures were confirmed. Impact on industry and corporate precautions. The quake's effects were felt beyond the public sphere, as key economic sectors also responded. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, the world's largest contract chip maker, reported that a small number of its facilities in the Hsinchu Science Park were evacuated as a precaution under safety protocols. All personnel were accounted for, and work safety systems remained functional. Recent seismic activity in Taiwan. This quake comes amid a period of heightened seismic activity in Taiwan. Just days earlier, a 6.1 magnitude tremor struck southeastern Taicung County on December 24, 2025. Although that event, like this one, resulted in no immediate reports of significant damage or injuries. Taiwan's location along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate converge, makes it one of the most earthquake-prone regions in the world, with frequent seismic activity ranging from minor tremors to potentially destructive quakes. Preparedness and public safety. Taiwan's robust building standards, public earthquake preparedness campaigns, and early warning systems help mitigate the impact of strong earthquakes. These measures have been credited with reducing casualties and major structural losses over recent decades, even as seismic events continue to challenge communities and infrastructure. Officials continue to assess conditions following the latest quake, urging residents to stay alert, prepare for possible aftershocks, and follow guidance from local authorities. Be in the know of everything trending today. At The Know,